today is the day. Today is October 12th. I am getting induced tonight. Baby girl did not want to come on her own. We are 40 weeks strong, so we are getting induced tonight. I've been meaning to film this video for the longest, so today is like my only last chance to do it because we're going to the hospital tonight. So yeah, I just wanted to jump in and just show you guys what I'm carrying to the hospital for baby, for me and baby daddy, and yeah. I'm gonna start with my bag because I just feel like my bag is boring, and yeah, let's get started. Ooh, also, quick little mention. I don't know if you can see my necklace and what it says, but it says mama, and I'm so obsessed with it. I received it from this jewelry company called Ana Luisa. They were so kind enough to send me these necklaces. I cannot tell you how excited I am to finally have a mama necklace. I have been, before they reached out to me, I was on the hunt for a mama necklace, and I just couldn't find a brand that I liked. And then it's like, oh, this one came about, and I just feel like it's just so perfect for this moment. I'm not sure if I could wear jewelry during labor, but I'm definitely gonna have this one on because it just, I'm so excited to be a part of this club, the mama club. Like, you know how long I wanted to be in this club with you guys. So yeah, it is a 14 karat gold necklace. I love it because it's so dainty. I could layer it if I wanted to. I could wear it by itself and it's still so like just bomb. It looks, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. I also have two more necklaces that they sent me. Let me show you guys those. I'm gonna do a close-up a little bit later. We also have this beaut. I don't know if you can see from that far, but it is also another, I only wear gold jewelry, so these are right up my alley. But yeah, this one is another dainty chain with a circle with some diamonds on it. So cute. And I love that they also come in their own little packaging. This one came in here. My mama necklace came in this guy. I love these because when I travel, I like to keep my jewelry separated so they don't get bunched up together and all tangly. Also, one of my other faves, I'm probably going to layer it with this guy depending on how long my chain is. It's a lock, so it's like my daughter has the key to my lock, to my heart. That's how I look at it. This one's so cute as well. I just wanted to shout them out because I've just been so obsessed with this necklace, and I just need all the mamas to go get one. It's the perfect holiday gift. We're in October. Christmas is coming. Y'all, I got y'all. I also do have a coupon code, but I don't know where my phone is. I do believe my coupon code is Reika10. So if you guys are on a hunt, if you are pregnant and you want a mama necklace, go ahead and grab you one. If you aren't a mama and you just want some fine jewelry, dainty, bomb, sophisticated, sexy, then definitely head over to Ana Luisa, I believe that's how it's pronounced, because they got the bomb products. It's bomb, okay? So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Sorry, I just had to shout them out because I'm obsessed. All right, on to the bags. So yes, I used to have Vera Bradley bags like crazy, and I was like, you know what? I still have my Vera Bradley bag. What's the point of buying a new bag because I'm going to the hospital? Like, I really wanted to get like one of those mommy bags that says mommy bags off of Amazon, but that was $50–$60, and I was like, why not just carry a bag I already have? So we are rocking the Vera Bradley bag, and let me just show you guys what I already have packed in here. I still run out of breath, so I am sorry if I get a little out of breath, okay? Like, I really wanted to get all done up for you guys for this video, but I just could not bring myself to do it. So I do apologize that I'm not like glamorous and bomb, like I'm still in pajamas. I just really wanted to be comfortable while doing this because, like I said, we are being induced tonight. So I'm just taking it easy today. So we have baby's blanket. It's so soft, I love it. So I'm gonna take this with us. And then, okay, I don't need to be showing you his underwear, but we have baby daddy's clothes. I have 2 boxers for him, his night shirt to sleep in, some shorts to sleep in, and then I also have his coming home outfit, so just some other shorts. And I thought I had a t-shirt for him, but it's not in here. Okay, so for mom, for me, I'm gonna take some biker shorts. These are my maternity biker shorts because I would still have a belly, but it still will give me a little bit of compression. So I'm gonna take biker shorts to come home in. And I am taking this sweater just to throw on. It says grateful, so I'm just gonna wear a maternity bra underneath just so it's easy access for me to breastfeed. My hospital is only 15 minutes away from my house, so I highly doubt I'm gonna have to breastfeed while on the way, like take stops to breastfeed the baby. So I'm just gonna take this to throw on. I do live in Orlando, so it is probably going to be hot, but I was told that mom needs to keep warm after having a baby just as much as baby needs to keep warm. So we're just gonna go with that. Let's see what else is in here. I have some socks for baby daddy, socks for mom, some grip socks, even though they're gonna provide that for me at my hospital. I just also wanted to pack some, you know, and we had to go with pink for the baby. I have my undies, my grandma undies. I have three of those. I have 2 maternity bras, a nude one and a black one. My pajamas. So I went with this style of pajama just for the fact that I know after you give birth, their nurses are constantly gonna be coming in to check you. I was gonna do a set like this, a shirt and a pants, but because they are gonna be coming in and out of the room, I figured this will be more convenient. So they just literally go under without me having to take off my pants. So we have this. I got this from Amazon. I also have this cute pink robe that says mama, so it matches my mama necklace. I cannot wait to take a picture with this because the baby's picture swaddle is going to match this. So we're gonna have a bomb picture with like mama caption. Also got this robe from Amazon. I have some pads. I know I'm gonna get some at the hospital, but just in case, I wanted to bring my own. I do have the disposable, like the pens, but I'm not taking any of mine from the house. I'm just going to use what they have in the hospital and then just use what I have at home, just because why not? The hospital is providing it for me, might as well use it. I know also the hospital does provide a Terry bottle, but I have heard that that one is not pretty good. So I got the Freedom Mama Perry bottle. I think this is pretty cool. So I have this guy. I also have a whole postpartum kit. That's already in my bathroom. I probably won't include that. And then also, last thing that's in my hospital bag is a portable fan. Oh, I was about to say it's not working. But I get hot really, really fast. And I just know a lot's going to be going on. So we have this. And then also after me delivering, I could just use this on the baby's stroller. You know, when we go for walks, we live in Florida, it's hot. This is a need. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have packed in my hospital bag. Also, my toiletries. Let's see. So I just have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, lotion, toothbrushes, one for me, one for baby daddy, toothpaste. And then on the other side, we have scrunchies. I have all my face wash, my moisturizer. I have a razor just in case. You never know. I have stool softener because I heard that first poop is not where it's at. So I definitely wanted to have help, any kind of help, as much as I can when it came to my first poop. So I got some stool softener. I have some hair gel and a baby hair toothbrush. I don't think I plan on washing my hair while I'm at the hospital. I'm not sure yet. But since I did dye my hair burgundy, my hair is still leaking red. So I don't even think I want to deal with that while I'm at the hospital, because I just don't want to be leaking red in a lot of different places. So yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. So I also have some house shoes I'm gonna take, just my furry slides. My jug of water. This has gotten me through my pregnancy, and I literally carry it everywhere. It's been me practicing with the baby. This has been like my practice baby, because I take it everywhere I go, and it just has been my best friend. So I love this. It keeps water super cold. So I'm definitely taking this. I have my makeup bag. I put some makeup in here. I do not know if I am going to want to wear makeup, but just in case I have a boost of some energy, I'm like, hey, let's throw on some makeup. I might just throw some makeup on. So I'm going to take this just in case. What else? I'm taking a purse. So my purse is going to have all my mama needs. So I have my snack bag, because I love to eat. I have, when baby does her handprint and her footprint, these are what goes in the picture frame for it. So I'm taking these for the picture frame. I have my passport case that has my passport in it, baby daddy's passport in it, both of our COVID vaccination cards. So this is like important just in case we lose our IDs, you know, never know. I have my glasses, have a marker, don't know. And then I have this guy that has, what's in here? We have some wipes, some antibacterial wipes. I have some fancy lip gloss, because you know my lips gotta be popping. I have some Vaseline lip balm. I have my EpiPen. I have my nipple butter. That's gonna be a need. I have some hand sanitizer. My my wallet with all my cards, my insurance cards, and my ID. And then I also have a 10-foot charger, USB charger, because I've heard that is also a need. So this is stuff that's like really important for me. So I'm keeping all of this in my purse.